Good morning and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. My name is Amita Wadhwa. We'll give you the details on the farmer plans as they say that they have gotten the permission from the Delhi police to continue with the tractor rally on the Republic Day. Getting you the details on the advisory that has also been given out by the Delhi police traffic section. First up, let's begin with the headlines at 11 a.m. The farmer unions say that they have received the permit from the Delhi police to hold Republic Day tractor rally. Anger against Mamata opposing Jai Shri Ram slogans, demand for an apology from the Chief Minister grows louder. No end to political violence in West Bengal. TMC leaders 8 shot dead in North 24 Parganas. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah kickstarts BJP campaign in Assam, will be holding 2 public rallies. Another tunnel busted by the BSF along the international border in Kathua and Jammu. This is the 3rd tunnel that has been unearthed by the BSF in the last 2 months. And the 9th round of India-China Corps Commander level military talks are currently underway in eastern Ladakh. So let's get you the latest details of the farmer leaders who have claimed that they have received a nod from the Delhi police to hold the tractor rally on the 26th of January, which is the Republic Day. However, an official confirmation on the same is yet to be released. Meanwhile, the Sangyukt Kisan Morcha has said that routes for Republic Day rally have been finalized in talks with the police officials from Delhi, Haryana and also from Uttar Pradesh. Sources have also told your channel that the Delhi police will remove the barricading at the national capital borders, but the rally will not be allowed into the ring road. Shivani is joining us for a quick live update on the same because Shivani, what was being said by certain farmer unions, even as 4 rounds of talks that happened between DEN and the Delhi police failed, it seems now they are claiming that there is a victory on their side as the Delhi police has given them permission to hold tractor rally. What is the entire truth? Because we're still awaiting for a confirmation.
Amitav, what we have witnessed is after 4 rounds of talks with the police, these farmer leaders have claimed that they have got a nod from the Delhi police side to hold the tractor rally on the Republic Day. But we know that there has no statement yet from the Delhi police regarding this, and whether the Delhi police has given them permission or not, it's not clear until we receive a statement, official statement from the Delhi police officials. And the security arrangements are taken into consideration seeing the Republic Day parade because in Republic Day parade, during the Republic Day parade, we've seen that the Rakesh Tikait has also claimed that lakhs and lakhs of tractors will be taking part in the tractor rally march. And we saw that in the first week of January also a rehearsal was held in in Delhi, and thousands of tractors were paraded as a part of the solidarity to the farmer protest. And on Republic Day, there is no clarity yet that has the Delhi police given a nod on what conditions, how it will be taken ahead, and what are the arrangements from the Delhi police side if the permission is granted to the tractor march by the farmer leaders. And we are also seeing that a lot of security arrangements are going on in the national capital in view of the Republic Day, because this year it's quite sensitive. We have seen a lot of restrictions due to the COVID protocols also going on, and top ministers are also, like we saw that Union Home Minister, he had also taken the stock of the whole situation. He met the high officials of the Delhi police, and the tractor march which has been announced has put the police and the whole administration into a challenging difficult situation, because it will be difficult to manage how these tractor rally and tractor march and these farmers will turn out on the day, which is very important. It's not only of a national importance, but the whole world will be witnessing India's defense might. The soldiers will be receiving their gallantry
Well, of
awards.
course,
And on the other
there
side,
is high security alert all across the capital. It has already been fortified, and at least Mahima, who's also joining us live on the broadcast. Good morning to you, Mahima, because till at least the beating retreat takes place, we are looking at that Delhi continues to remain as a high security zone. But it was left up to the Delhi police, even by the Supreme Court, who had refused to intervene or pass an order that saying law and order comes under the Delhi police's reign. And when it comes to giving them the permission, the farmer parties are claiming it is victory on their side, but we are still awaiting for an official word from the Delhi police's side. So will they stop or rather restrict the tractor rally to just the Delhi borders, or will they be allowed entry within the Delhi borders? Mahima, what are you picking up?
Well, good morning, Amita. There's no such official statement yet from the Delhi police's side, because earlier, while the talks between the farmers and the Delhi police, it was claimed that they can take the route of Kundli, Palwal and Manesar. That is the outer of the national capital. But the ground reality here is that yesterday the meeting happened, the fourth round of talk that happened between the farmers and the police officials, wherein the farmers claim that they have been allowed to enter the national capital, wherein they won't be allowed to stay back after the parade. That is what they call as the Farmers Republic Day parade. So after the parade, they'll have to leave immediately. But there is no such statement yet, and you can clearly see the visuals, Amita. Still, the farmers have gathered here at the border. They are still of the view that they are definitely going to take out, despite of the fact that Delhi is on the high alert on the 26th. The protesting farmers will enter the capital and hold a Farmers Republic Day, driving the tractors on the 5 different routes, covering around 100 kilometers on January 26th. That is what the farmers have claimed. And the farmers will move inside the Delhi from 5 different points. That is the Singhu, Tikri, Ghazipur, Palwal and the Shahjahanpur borders. So these are the borders that the tractors will move on to, but we'll have to wait and watch, because there's no such official statement that has yet come from the Delhi police. We'll have to wait whether they will be allowed to take out the tractor march on the busiest outer ring road of the national capital, or whether they'll be allowed to go to take out the parade on the outer of the national capital, that is the Manesar, Kundli and the Kundli border, Amita.
All right, thanks very much, Shivani. Mahima joining us live in the morning on the update as to whether the official nod has been given to the farmer unions or not by the Delhi police. We are still awaiting for that confirmation to take place, or whether an alternate route will be allowed to the farmers to continue with the tractor rally on Republic Day.